Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video we will be looking as usual Link, Ethereum, XRP and BTC. If you're learning and enjoying from the content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which will help the YouTube algorithm to reach more people, and of course you will get a top technical analysis on a daily basis. Let's see the Link. Link was keep printing a lower highs. After that we said we will be consolidating here Saturday, Sundays, exactly week to week, as you saw from this parallel channel how it played out. Rejection, rejection. Even yesterday as well we had beautiful rejection from here. It went up, you can see it nearly cent to cent, exactly from 1380 zone we have a rejection from there as well. And after seeing a BTC dump, we had a sharp decline and retest the lower time frame resistance, and we saw another sharp dump. Link is on the 1 hour and 2 hour time frames in the clean bear zone. On the 4 hour time frame we can say it's consolidating. If you're a swing trader, you have to be patient and take the clean entry levels. Having said that, if we're going to look at actually to this candle, you can see it, as I said yesterday, an example of the BTC. You can see there is nothing, and you can see how sharp decline, sharp pump. You can see if there is nothing, that's what you see. Whether we're going to have a sharp pump again, I doubt it. The market, the volume is quite low, and I believe we're going to be consolidating around these zones. And if we're going to take a look into Fibonacci, how it played out, you see dollar to dollar, cent to cent, 12.10, 7.86. However, we didn't expect such a sharp dump because of BTC. As always I say, keep an eye on BTC because alts follow the BTC. You see how the 0.5 $13 range played out well, as well as 1260 zones, a golden zone 618. It came nearly, rejected, went, retested, resistance, lower time resistance zone. It couldn't pass. We are facing now this sharp dump. Again, we've been following actually this parallel channel. You see how it played out. We've been following this since last week. Yesterday, again, last try and clean breakout, retest and sharp decline. And we don't need this parallel channel anymore because it has already finished its task. However, I added a new parallel channel. At this parallel channel, as you see, rejection from here, rejection again, rejection again. For the educational purpose, how you can use the parallel channel. If you work with a parallel channel, you have to have some extra tools, because as you saw from the previous BTC video, if you didn't watch it, I highly recommend for you to watch it. And on the 1 hour time frame, the parallel channel actually failed because there was not enough data. That I mentioned that it was quite weak. Here, as you can see it, we have a confluence with our support and resistance zones. Yeah, we have a confluence again with our support and resistance zones. Either you need a horizontal support and resistance zones, or the best way is going to be the Fibonacci levels. Now, as you can see here, we've got midline actually exactly matched with our golden zone. Rejection from here exactly 786. To be a bullish, the structure actually changed and we're not following 1390 zone. I will be updating via Twitter. So yeah, you can see it how it's confluence, and we have actually here we've got nearly 60 level, and we've got slightly above we have a midline of this parallel channel. We will be following closely. Let's take a look into Ethereum. Ethereum, as we said, we were watching this since last week Friday, right in here, the consolidation. And there was no indication unless I said the BTC will dump, and we see the secondary consolidation zone here. In yesterday's video, I mentioned that clearly. And we can see exactly the same thing. Sharp pump, came sharp dump. What happened yesterday, as soon as I finished the video, I witnessed actually again the invalidation. The long level actually held really well. That we saw last week, 2 exact dollar to dollar rejection, third one nearly there, and we had consolidation. It got proper rejection. Yesterday again it came with a $2 difference, actually $2-3 difference. It's just wick, dipped actually, and then got rejected from here. However, if we're going to look at the fib level, you can see it 382. Exactly dollar to dollar came and then rejected from there. And I said at this low zone it looks quite weak because we don't have a strong level, that support and resistance levels. and as you can see, clear break, retested, couldn't make it with a BTC sharp dump took place, and exactly from this golden zone, 600 zone, dollar to dollar rejected. However, to take the liquidation, candle dipped a bit. What are we expecting from the Ethereum? Ethereum also didn't lose its structure, bullish structure on the 4-hour time frame. However, it's getting slightly weakening. Nothing to worry unless we lose the entire structure. 2 hours, we're just in a consolidation. As I said, primary consolidation zone. If we're gonna lose 623, we have a secondary consolidation zone. Now under 2 hours, we are officially in this consolidation zone between 625, 600 zone. However, 1 hour time frame is giving a clear bearish direction. Is it advisable to take short? I don't think so, because we're in a bull market. These lower time frames may fail you. And also bear in your mind that midline of the parallel channel, we have a heavy resistance over here, which match with 236, again 640 zone area. However, we have got two strong resistance above us. One is 382, 620 zone, and as well as the 625 horizontal resistance zones. In the coming days, we will see how it plays out. If you're learning and enjoying from the content, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which will help the YouTube algorithm to reach more people, and of course you will get a top technical analysis on a daily basis. Let's move on to XRP. Exactly as expected, this circle has been provided, I believe, Saturday morning, and I said we're going to be literally in this zone for the next couple of days. Yesterday's video I said we're nearly done with this, and we have to hold actually at this level of 55 cents. And as you can see with the BTC dump, exactly the same thing happened as other altcoins. And you can see I yesterday updated this last line of defense, how it played out. The first dump came cent to cent, pips to pips, rejected, it couldn't cross. However, the bears actually took it control, and as you can see again it came cent to cent again. This type of wicks will hunt your stop losses, and that's why you're going to see time to time wick, and there again we have some wicks. However, it's trying to go in back to the channel. Under 1 hour we can see it, and we're clearly in the bearish zone once we lost 55 level. 2 to 4 hour we can see that we're in a consolidation zone. I'm expecting for the bear we're going to test about 55, 56 zone. If it cannot hold officially under 4 hour time frame, we're going to go towards the south. For the bull scenario, it's a bit problematic. We have to go and we have to cross ideally 58 zone. Once we hold the 58 zone, we are good to go. In the end, it seems after this movement we need some time to follow and wait the direction from the BTC. Let's move on to BTC. I updated a few days ago about this potential bear divergence. If you want to follow me, you can follow me via Twitter at CryptoMagnate8. So if you have any questions regarding technical analysis or learning technical analysis, my DM is always open. Can we say that bear divergence is in play? We can see higher highs. After this sharp, we will be watching closely. However, in yesterday's video, I tried to explain how the bear divergence works, and this oscillator keep printing a lower highs. How do we know actually whether the bear divergence is in play or no? As soon as we're gonna lose this 50 level, what will happen is you're gonna see something like that come in, retesting, and then rejection, right rejection from the 50 level. Ideally, I would say 50, 45 levels. Closely watching. RSI also between support and resistance zone now, and we will be watching closely. Also in yesterday's video, I explained how this type of candles will come because of sharp pump. I explained actually this price action, that price action, all around it happened 19,200, 19,700 zone, and you can see it, sharp dump, slightly tested the fib level, retested this zone, previous low, and then sharp pump. However, when it came, BTC got stacked over here. As a result of actually BTC printed future potential support and resistance zones, and when we came actually here, we got a bit stuck. So what we can see is, after that, we saw a sharp pump. I was explaining if BTC loses 236 zone, 22,800, it is going to be a bit tough, and we will see this type of sharp dumps. Support and resistance zones are updated, and we have 23,450 zone, nearly dollar to dollar. It just rejected from there, and we'll be following closely. And again, after this dump, we came exactly 382. We've got two zones. One is Fibonacci level, which is 382. That comes 21,860 zone. Also, we've got lower time frame support resistance 2, which is coming nearly $100 difference with 382 zones, and it just again rejected dollar to dollar from the fib level. Under 4 hour, I can say there is nothing to worry about as long as BTC makes something like that, and potential entrance could be, the next entrance would be 24,050, 24,100 zone. However, if we cannot manage to cross the resistance zone 1, that is 23,450, then we will be a bit going into this consolidation zone under 4 hour time frame. Let's check it 2 hours. Under 2 hours, again, I would say the similar thing as I said about the 4 hours. Make sure we shouldn't lose 22,400 zone. 1 hour time frame, again, 1 hour time frame is not giving a bear signal. However, we will be possibly in this zone. We will be following closely. It will be always updated via Twitter. If you're not following me, you can follow me at CryptoMagnate8. And this is all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.